Coverage you can count on continues in Washington County, where 3 former deputies are on trial in the alleged taser death of a man they arrested in 2017. News Channel 6's Renetta Dubose reports.
A court hearing Friday morning in Washington County Superior Court for Rhett Scott, Michael Howe, and Henry Copeland. The 3 men face charges for felony murder, involuntary manslaughter, aggravated assault, and reckless conduct. They are accused in the taser death of 58-year-old Yuri Martin. Judge H. Gibbs Flanders Jr. heard additional motions from defense attorneys and state prosecutors, including allowing expert witnesses from both sides to weigh in virtually. The court also addressed how to frame questions to avoid jurors being impartial.
If the judge told you that you can't have that opinion and you can only use the evidence that's presented here if you come to a different conclusion, that's what we're trying to avoid.
Judge Flanders broke down how the COVID pandemic would impact the jury selection process. He explained that the CDC-approved 3 feet apart social distancing rule would make limited seating for the general public. So far, there are 51 seats in the court, with just 10 for the general public. He says the state courtroom in the same building would offer 21 seats for the community, but each side would have reserved seating for respective interested parties.
Reserve passes for the state to provide to whomever believes appropriate. Very likely will be members of the rich victim's family, but I believe that force up to the state to make that determination, and then for each of the defendants to have 2 passes.
COVID screenings will also take place prior to trial, which begins Monday at 9 a.m. It will recess at 5 p.m. each day with a 1-hour lunch break at noon. In Sandersville, Renetta Dubose, WJBF News Channel 6.
Media will also be allowed to cover the trial, but could be required to share footage due to space. We'll follow this trial throughout the week.